In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect a deposit from your customers using QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a customer deposit so it's easy to track and matches what actually hits your bank account. Let's jump right into QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, start by going to the top left or top center of your screen and clicking the plus sign labeled Create. This opens a menu of different transaction types. From this list, choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is what you'll use when you're receiving money right away, like when a customer pays a deposit up front. Once the sales receipt window opens, you'll see a field for the customer at the top. Click on the customer drop-down and choose the customer who is paying the deposit. If they're already in your system, just select their name. If not, you can add them as a new customer so the deposit is properly tied to their account for future reference. Next, look for the Deposit To drop-down. This tells QuickBooks where the money is going. Click that drop-down and select the bank account where the deposit will actually be received, such as your main checking account or another account you use for deposits. It's important to choose the right account here so that later on, when you reconcile your bank statement, the transaction lines up with what your bank shows. Now, move down to the Product or Service column. This is where you'll choose the item you use to track deposits or retainers. From the drop-down, select your preset deposit or retainer item. This item should already be set up in your products and services list to map the deposit to the correct account in your chart of accounts. Using a dedicated deposit or retainer item keeps your income and liability tracking accurate and organized. Once you've picked the correct item, go to the Rate or Amount column on that same line. Enter the deposit amount your customer is paying. Take a moment to double-check that number against what you agreed on with your customer, since this is what will appear on the receipt and in your reports. After you've confirmed the customer, the deposit account, the item, and the amount, you're ready to save the transaction. Look for the Save and Close button at the bottom of the screen and click it. QuickBooks will record the deposit, link it to that customer, and close the window so you're back to your dashboard with the deposit properly documented in your books.